Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the drawing techniques. Let's begin with the first one. First we are going to make a girl. For this one you just have to make a round face. Then the two ears are to be added from both ends. After that the hat portion is created. Then the eyes are made. Some hair from the front area is also to be created. It's time to focus over the rest of the body dress of this type of the girl. Once you're done with this one, you just have to make some of the curves from both ends. That's going to represent the hair. Let's move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to trace on the number 100 over which you are just going to build somewhat a round shape. Then the ears are also added. The eyes are also made. These are going to represent the spectacles of this man over which you just have to make the nose and some of the cute little lips. Then this triangular shape is to be joined. It's somewhat a geometrical one, and then the rest of the body is to be made. It looks so cute and so easy. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are making some of the curvier lines that are 4 in number, and the ears are built lower with over the round circle is made around the face area, and the rest of the features are added like the hair of this cute little girl. You can see how beautifully we have created this one, and a bow is attached over the head. It looks so cute and so easy. Rest of the body is also made. Tint is given around the cheeks area. Let's now move further and try to make another type of the girl. First, you just have to roughly make these two circular type of the shapes, and again you just have to join them, and you just have to make a round face at the center. The eyes are to be added like here apparent on your screens. Then you can just make other features. It looks so cute and so easy. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is the simplest of the all. Fill it with some of the bright colors so that it will look more attractive. Let's now move further. Write down the alphabets R and then the K, and in between you have to place the H, and you can see the rest of the features are to be added by just filling these type of the alphabets with the same color, and then with the help of the black marker you just have to add some other features. It looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused, and you can just focus where you just have to make some of the lines, where you just have to place some of the eyes, where you just have to add some more features. It looks so cute, so definitely give this one a try. It's one of my favorite type of the artifacts because in few seconds you would be able to create such beautiful patterns. Let's now move further with our another activity. First, you just have to trace down the K alphabet over which you just have to fill it with some of the colors. Then from the back portion, you just have to add some of the facial features as apparent here. You can see now we are making the legs of this cute little boy. It's very less time consuming activity. In the background, we are adding a cute tiny bird and filling it with the color. Let's move further and try to make this cute little toy. First, you just have to make a circle below which you just have to make a cylindrical type of the figure over which you just have to place these circles. Then you just have to add the rest of the features. This activity is again very simple and again very easy. It's going to represent a pilot over this jet. This is the cutest of all. It may look difficult, but it's the simplest of all. It's a little bit time consuming activity. Fill it with some of the bright colors. You can just pause it and try to make this one. Let's now move further with our another activity. For this one, we just have to roughly make the two type of the individuals. Then you just have to trace down some of the lines that are similar to the A and the H, and over which you just have to place some of the curvier things. And then you will create the two cute little human beings like that were made previously, but they were roughly one. Here you can create them perfectly. Just follow the each step properly in a sequential manner and give it a try. It looks so cute and so beautiful. The long hair is to be made in the background. Let's move further. Try to make the another boy. For this one, you just have to make a semicircle. Then you just have to give it a capier type of the look, and then you just have to add some of the facial features. This activity is again very simple. You just have to make the eyes and the rest of the facial features. Thank you for watching.